Let us now see this program to understand some functions of a string class. We have created a string with value gfg. We are calling length on it, which returns 3 because the length of the string is 3. So length function gives you the length of this string. We concatenate a string xyz at the end of it, and now our string becomes gfg xyz. So length function returns 3, and then when we concatenate and print the string, we get gfg xyz. Next function is substr. Substr function mainly takes two arguments. The first argument is the begin index from which we need to consider the substring, and the second argument is length of the substring. So this gives you a substring that begins with this index and has length 3. So we are going to get the substring beginning with index 1 and then length 3. So our output is fgx. Substring function can work with only one parameter also. In that case, it finds all the remaining characters after that index. So if I remove 3, I am going to get the output as fgxyz, because then there is no length specified, so it's going to consider until end of the string. Find function. Find is a useful function. It's used to find if a given string is present in this string as a substring or not. So we have given the string as fg, and now we are checking whether this fg is present in this string as a substring. Now if you search for fg in this string, you will find that fg is present at index 1 here, right? So that is why we get the output as 1. If a string is present as a substring, we get the index of its first occurrence. A string can be present at multiple places. For example, there is one more fg here. In that case, find function gives you index of its first occurrence.